As the Drone Racing League prepares for a big debut in 2016, it wants to make sure its drones are ready for the spotlight. To keep races fair, the DRL team builds all its racing drones to the same specifications. And to keep things interesting, those specifications will change from race to race.
In DRL events, we use our own in-house design and custom-built drones. It helps level the playing field for the pilots and gives us a lot of control over the technology that's involved in it.
The process of designing and executing these drones is always a constant balance between flight time and the amount of LEDs and just how visible it is.
They're capable of about 80 miles an hour. They stay in the air for about 6 minutes. They hold a GoPro front config because we do a lot of filming.
The technology that's used in drone racing today is drawn from a variety of sources. The controllers are drawn mainly from the world of model aviation and remote control cars. The goggles are drawn from the early days of on-screen displays. Our internal components are designed to be as streamlined as possible. We have as few points of failure on the drone as we can.
You have your battery, which is your power source. You've got your flight controller, which is kind of the brains of the whole operation. You've got electronic speed controllers. The battery is a lithium polymer, which gives us a really nice balance of power and weight.
They're made with a 5-inch prop, 2206 motors. The transmitters are a little more intimidating looking than a PlayStation controller, but they do basically the same thing. The left stick is throttle and yaw, and the right stick is roll and pitch. And what that allows you to do is finally control the angle of the drone and really do aerobatic things.
We got rid of all the stuff you don't need to race, and it's just as bare bones as possible.
Drone Racing League CEO Nick Horbaczewski likens his league to Formula One or NASCAR. Professional drivers like Lewis Hamilton don't need to worry about tuning up their own engine or replacing their tires. They're just there to compete.
The process of the pilots going in and adjusting all the individual settings is something we call tuning. It's a lot like tuning a car. It's going through and finding everything you can vary to make it drive just the way you want.
You can tune literally every setting of the drone in the flight controller software. So you can control how fast it spins, how fast it rolls. You can limit your throttle if you wanted to. You can make it completely custom to you.
Drones are made to withstand crashing. We build them with thick carbon fiber. We use aluminum fasteners, and we try and make it as lightweight but as durable as possible.
The name of the game is to design it to crash well and repair easily.
So we'll go through a lot of drones. There's crashes in every race. It's exciting, it's fun, the pilots know it, and it's how they know they're pushing the boundaries of flying.
The pilots are more likely to take risks in a race if they don't have to worry about repairing their own vehicles. And that makes the race videos a lot more exciting.